channel. This is AHANA and today I'm going to be showing you this glam look that I created using all drugstore products. I am so grateful for all the love that I received for my first video. Thank you so much. So I'm back to create this look. This is a really glam, but I tried to keep it wearable and not go all out. This is kind of my go-to makeup look. I always tend to reach out for these colors. So if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. But before you do, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, now let's move on to the video. I'm starting off with the moisturized face. I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Illuminating Primer, and I'm taking a lot of it and just dotting it all across my face and my neck, as well as my collarbones. I'm just blending it with my fingertips, and this is the moment where I realized that I look like a disco ball. I put on way too much. Now that I'm human again, I'm going to move on to my L'Oreal True Match Foundation in Golden Beige, and I'm dotting it across my face and neck again. Using the NYX stippling brush, I'm just going to buff the foundation in circular motions just to ensure that there are no streaky marks. Moving on to my concealer, I'm going to use the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in Honey, and I'm just going to twist it and apply it under my eyes and on the centers of my face. Using the PAC Beauty Sponge, I'm just tapping it gently across the concealed areas to blend it out. Using the NYX HD Photo Finish Concealer in CW5, I'm using this as a brightening concealer under my eyes and over them as an eyelid primer as well, my mouth area and my chin. Now I'm again just gonna blend it out with the PAC Beauty Sponge. This just gives a very natural finish. Using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in Light Medium, I'm going to pour it on the cap, and just taking the sponge again, I'm going to put it under my eyes and all over the concealed areas just to mattify it and make sure that we don't crease. Moving on to my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Ultimate Eyebrow Kit in Ash Brown, and I'm using an angled brush and just filling in the sparse areas of my brows. Moving on to my eyes, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave palette. This is so beautiful, and I'm using this light brown transition shade on the crease of my eye with the fluffy brush. Making sure that I like the intensity, I'm going to move on to a darker brown shade, and I'm just going to deepen the crease using another fluffy brush. I'm also going to blend the two colors out with a fluffy blending brush. Using this coppery shade, I'm going to pack it all over my eyelids using a flat eyeshadow brush. Using this beautiful golden bronze shade, I'm packing it all over that coppery shade. Now using the same brown eyeshadow, I'm going to blend it and deepen my crease a little bit further. I'm also putting it on my outer corners. Now I'm just going to tightline my eyelids using the Colossal KAJAL by Maybelline. I'm also blending the thing out with the brown eyeshadow once again. Using the LAKME Absolute Shine Line eyeliner, I'm going to draw a wing. If you guys want a detailed wing liner tutorial, do let me know in the comments below. Using the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara, I'm going to coat my eyelashes. And you can stop here if you want, but I'm just going to use the PAC 53 false lashes to give it a dramatic look. Using the Wet n Wild Contour Palette, I'm going to carve out my cheekbones. I'm also putting it on my jawline as well as my forehead. Using the Maybelline Color Show Blush in Creamy Cinnamon, which I broke and fixed, I'm going to take a little bit of it and tap off the excess. And now I'm going to apply it to the apples of my cheekbones. Blend with the beauty blender after each step to make it look skin-like. Now I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in molten gold, and taking a fan brush, I'm going to apply it to the highest points of my cheekbones, my chin, the bridge of my nose, the sides of my forehead, my collarbones, and also on my inner corners and the brow bone. Blending it out once again. Now I'm moving on to the Wet n Wild setting spray, just to spray and set my face and lock my makeup into place. Using the Maybelline Lip Gradation in Mauve 1 for my lips for an everyday natural nude color. I'm going to apply it all over the lips. And we are done. This is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.